So today we are discussing active and passive voice. You should note it properly what I am telling through this discussion. It will help you. So I am going to give an introduction of active voice and passive voice. What is active voice and what is passive voice? Actually, the first thing is that what is active voice? The active voice is the normal voice, that is the voice that we use most of the time. We all are probably already familiar with the active voice. In the active voice, the object receives the action of the verb. Look at the example I am going to give over here. The example is something like that. Cats eat fish. Cats is the subject, eat is the verb, object is the fish. This one is known as active voice. And when we are going to convert it into passive voice, the example is something like this. Fish are eaten by cats. Subject is fish here, verb are eaten, object is by cats. So the sentence which we have discussed in the previous, cats eat fish, which is in the active voice, and if we are going to convert it into passive voice, the answer will something like this: fish are eaten by cats. So those are the things. We are not going to discuss much or more about this active voice. We are going to discuss what is passive voice in the second part of the discussion. So how it is used, किभଳି भाବରେ ଏହା यूज होछि ता हमें जानि परिबा what is passive voice. So passive voice is used when the focus is on the action. When the focus is on the action, it is not important or not known, however, who or what is performing the action. Example, my bike was stolen, which is in the passive voice. So let me discuss with the tense forms. Tense form रे आमे आको केमती व्यवहार करिबा से विषय रे मु कहूची. It will be very easy to understand if we go through the tense, how it is used in the tense. Suppose there are two types of tense we know, present and past. So let me discuss with the examples here. Suppose we are going to discuss from the beginning simple present, which is known as the very first form in the present tense. Simple present. Suppose we are going to write a sentence in active voice, as I told you in the previous discussion. Simple present. You can also prefer my tense time and aspect video, which we have made there on my channel. So the very first sentence which is in the simple present, and also in other words we can say that it is active voice. Active voice can be converted into passive voice. So the very first sentence which is in the simple present tense, that is known as Rita writes a letter, which is converted into passive voice. A letter is written by Rita. So what will be the rule here? Subject plus is by am by are plus verb third form. So Rita writes a letter, which is in the simple present tense in the active voice also, and we are going to convert it into passive voice. A letter is written by Rita. A letter, which is an object there in the active voice. Active voice re a letter. Rita writes a letter. Object will become a voice. Object will become subject in the passive voice. Look at the example. Rita writes a letter, and a letter is written by Sita. The rule is something like this in the present simple or simple present. Subject plus is by am by are plus verb third form in the passive voice. We are discussing simple present. Moving to the simple past. Look at the example which is in the active voice. Rita wrote a letter. It is in the simple past tense and also in the active voice. We are going to convert it into passive voice. The answer will be, and the example will be something like this. A letter was written by Sita. If a sentence is in the simple past, the rule will be subject plus was plus was where plus verb third form in the simple past tense. So a letter was written by Rita. So in the present perfect, we are discussing present perfect. which is in the active voice, Rita has written a letter. The answer will be something like this. In the passive voice, if you are going to convert it into passive voice, a letter has been written by Rita. So the role is here subject plus has by have plus been plus verb third form. Verb third form hochi write, wrote, written. Written is a verb third form which is known as past participle. So Rita has written a letter. A letter has been written by Rita. A letter, which is an object here in the active voice, will become a subject there in the passive voice. We should remember it properly. If we are going to convert an active voice sentence to passive voice, then the object will become the subject in the passive voice. So then we are discussing the future time. Rita will write a letter. It is in the active voice. We are going to convert it into passive voice. You should remember a letter which is an object here in the active voice will become the subject in the passive voice. A letter will be written by Rita. The rule will be something like this. Here, if we are going to convert it into passive voice, subject plus will by shall plus be plus verb third form. This is the rule in the future time. The simple future, which is known as simple future, Rita will write a letter and it has been converted into passive voice. A letter will be written by Rita. The rule you should follow: subject plus shall by will plus be plus verb third form. So a letter is the subject object there in the active voice, which has become a subject in the passive voice. So another form we are going to discuss. Suppose there is a sentence in the active voice, Rita can write a letter, and we are going to convert it into passive voice. A letter can be written by Rita. So here the rule will be something like this. If a sentence which is in the active voice, Rita can write a letter, Rita गोटे चिट्ठी लिखि पारिबो बा लिखि पारे, ताको पैसिव वॉइस रे कन्वर्ट करले कोन होबो, a letter can be written by Rita. So the rule can plus be plus verb third form. And next example of passive we are discussing present continuous, and which is known as present progressive. Suppose the same example we are going to give over here, that the sentence is in the active voice, Rita is writing a letter. The rule, what will be the rule if you are going to convert it into passive voice? Subject plus is by am by are plus being, B-E-I-N-G, being plus verb third form. Look at the example I am going to give over you. So here a letter, which is an object there in the active voice, will become the subject there in the passive voice. A letter will be the subject here and the sentence will begin from here. A letter is being written by Rita. चिट्ठी Rita द्वारा लिखा जाउअछि. Then we are discussing past progressive. If a sentence is in the active voice, look at the sentence, Rita was writing a letter. Rita was writing a letter, and we are going to convert it into passive voice, and the sentence is in the past progressive. Look at the tense past progressive. A letter was being written by Rita. The same thing it will be done here, which was there in the present progressive. Just one thing will be changed here, that is what, in the place of is, am, are, we should write it was by where. Was a where lekha jibo. Look at the rule I am telling you again. Subject plus was by where plus being plus verb third form. A letter was being written by Rita, which was there in the active. What was there in the active voice? Rita was writing a letter. It is also in the past progressive form, and we are going to convert it into passive voice. A letter was being written by Rita. A letter, which is a subject, which is an object there in the active voice, will become the subject. Again we are repeating here, and then we are moving to the next, that is known as past perfect. Past perfect ro gote example neikar dekhiba, which is in the active voice. Rita had written a letter. Remember or note it properly, Rita had written a letter, and we are going to convert it into passive voice. The rule will be something like this: subject plus had plus been plus verb third form. Only thing it will be changed over here, had plus been plus verb third form, and the answer will be here, a letter had been written by Rita. Then future time, future perfect, which when the sentence is in the active voice, Rita will have written a letter. In the active voice, the sentence is something like this: Rita will have written a letter, which is in the and it has been converted into passive voice. The example is something like this, but before that we should follow the rule: subject plus will basal plus have plus been plus verb third form. Look at the sentence which is there in the active voice: Rita will have written a letter. Rita चिट्ठी लिखी थी वो. In the passive voice, what it will be changed? A letter will have been written by Rita, and the rule: subject, which is an object there in the active voice, a letter will become the subject here. Again I am repeating over here that a letter will have been written by Rita. Again the rule I am mentioning: subject, a letter which is subject, plus will basal plus have plus been plus verb third form. Verb third form: go, went, gone, read, read, jump, jumped. Those are the example of verb third form by past participle. Then we are discussing what is there in the conditional one or first conditional. Look at the sentence in the which is in the active voice: Rita would write a letter. Rita would write a letter. And if we are going to convert it into passive voice, a letter would be written by Rita, and the rule: would plus be plus verb third form. And second conditional we are discussing: Rita would have written a letter. It is in the active voice: Rita would have written a letter. And if we are going to convert it into passive voice, the rule will be subject plus would plus have plus been plus verb third form. And the answer will be something like that. If we have converted into passive voice, a letter would have been written by Rita. A letter would have been written by Rita. What was there in the active voice in the second conditional? Rita would have written a letter, but when we are going to convert it into passive voice, that will be changed: a letter would have been written by Rita.